DoubleClick Campaign Manager lets you manage and serve display ads across websites and mobile. It also provides performance metrics related to your ad campaigns. When you integrate DCM with Google Analytics 360, you can analyze how DCM impressions and clicks drive traffic, assist conversions, and impact metrics like bounce rate and time on site. You can also compare your DCM display advertising performance with other channels, such as paid and organic search and email campaigns. DoubleClick Floodlight metrics will also be available alongside your analytics e-commerce and goal conversion data. Let's say the Google Merchandise Store's DCM program wants to drive users to the wearables product category, which is tracked with a DoubleClick Floodlight counter. Oftentimes, display advertising can be seen as a more upper funnel marketing activity. To evaluate the full funnel and understand the value of their DCM ad spend, the store can use the Google Analytics Assisted Conversions report. We'll select April 2017 for the date range. Then, we'll include only the floodlight conversion for wearables. You can see a total of 1,575 assisted conversions for wearables. Here, you can compare the performance of your display channel versus other channels in driving conversions. You can also look more specifically at how display contributed to conversions. Display ads assisted 362 conversions out of the 1,575 conversions assisted by any channel. This is 23% of total assisted conversions. In contrast, display ads accounted for only 0.34% of total last click or direct conversions. Notice that the ratio of assisted to last click or direct conversions is relatively high compared to other channels at 12.48. This high ratio tells you at a glance that without considering assisted conversions, you'd have significantly undervalued display advertising. We'll explore these reports later in more detail.